Hello, welcome back to Bill's Learning Corner. 那今天我们要录制，是不要录制一个新的单元 Reading D， 所以我们 upgrade 到 another level。那我们今天看到的是 Crabby Crab。那看到这只 Crab 呢，它不是很开心，所以它很 Crabby。OK， 那今天要练习的部分一样是过去式。OK， 那我们今天看到这只 Crab。OK，woke up。And it was sunny. That made him happy. And then mom said, "Make your bed," said his mom. That made him crabby. 所以妈咪要他 make your bed. Okay, and then Crab built a sand castle. That made him happy.A wave knocked it down. Okay, wave. Knock it down. That made him crabby. Crab played soccer with his pal. That made him happy. His pal scored a goal. So he scored a goal. That made him crabby.Crab got some ice cream. That made him happy. The ice cream spilled on the sand. That made him crabby. Crab read a good book. That made him happy. Time for bed, said his mom. That made him crabby. I'm not tired, he said.Crab got in bed. Crab fell asleep. Crab had a great dream. Crab woke up and it was sunny. That made him happy. 好，所以今天讲的是 Crab 的一天，有 happy， 有 crabby。好，那下面的呢是 word bank。Okay, so if you don't have question, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.